The greenhouse effect and its outcomes. What is the greenhouse effect? Earth is a comfortable place for living things. It's just the right temperature for plants and animals, including humans, to thrive. Why is the Earth so special? Well, one reason is the greenhouse effect. Now, what is greenhouse? Is that some kind of house being painted green or what? No. A greenhouse is a building with a glass wall and a glass roof. The clear glass allows sunlight to enter the greenhouse, while also trapping the sun heat. This is how greenhouse keeps plant warm, even at night and winter. This applies the same function too for the Earth. The greenhouse effect keeps Earth warm too. Earth isn't surrounded by glass, but it's surrounded by the atmosphere. Atmosphere is a thin blanket of air that surrounds the Earth. Basically, it's a mixture of many gases. In the daytime, the sun shines through the atmosphere, warming the Earth's surface. After the sun goes down, Earth's surface cools. This releases the heat back into the air, but some heat is trapped by the gas in the atmosphere. These heat-trapping gases are called greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide, water vapor, and methane are all examples of greenhouse gases. Some human activities are changing Earth's natural greenhouse effect. For example, burning fossil fuels like coal and oil releases more carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. These extra greenhouse gases can cause the atmosphere to trap more heat, leading to a warmer Earth, which is what we say global warming. What about climate change? What's the difference between climate change and global warming? Climate change and global warming are two words from the same thing basically, but climate change is a better descriptor because as greenhouse gases concentration are going up in the atmosphere due to our activity, we are seeing global warming. We are seeing temperatures go up, but we are seeing a lot of other things as well, which are better captured by the phrase climate change. The consequences of global warming are enormous. Its effects are not just limited to one country, but it will affect the entire planet. We can see that the glaciers are thawing, flood on coastal cities and islands, hurricane occurs more frequently, migration of species, food shortage all around the world. We also see that sea levels have risen by 15 centimeters. Now you may ask, why did I say the consequences of global warming? Why is it not the consequences of climate change? I know we're all concerned about climate change, but climate change is not the problem. Climate change is the expression of the problem. It's the feedback of the system of the planet telling us what's going on. The problem is global warming provoked by the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases. The climate emergency is real. Our world is at the brink of ecological collapse. According to the UN, we had 9 years left to save our planet. If this continues, this will not be good in the long run. We need to act fast. Humanity already knows what to do. We have the technologies and practices. What we need to do is to accelerate the implementation. And most importantly, a world leader cannot be spewing empty promises. We need to rethink our global goals, to move beyond sustainability towards regeneration, and along the way, reverse global warming. Thank you.